Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to crochet the doll's arm. First, make a slip knot and put it aside. Then take your doll and look under her right armpit. Here you can see 3 stitches. Move your hook into the middle stitch, catch the prepared slip knot and pull it through the stitch. Tighten the loop. Now we can start our first round. Chain 1, then put 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Move your hook back into the same stitch, into the middle stitch. Yarn over, pull it through the stitch, yarn over, and pull it through both loops. Then put 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, and pull it through both loops. Here you can see a space under the armpit, but skip it and insert your hook into the space between 15th and 16th row. Put 1 single crochet in this space. Great, done! Now we are going to crochet the upper side of the arm. Here we are working on another side of our chains. Put 1 single crochet in each chain. 1 single crochet into the first chain, one single crochet into the second chain, one single crochet into the third chain, one single crochet into the fourth chain, and 1 single crochet into the last 5th chain. Turn the doll and insert your hook into the space between 15th and 16th rounds. Put 1 single crochet in this space. Turn the doll and put 1 single crochet into the last stitch under her armpit. We have finished round 1, and at the end of round 1 we should have 10 single crochets all around, and you can hide this starting yarn into the body of the doll using the stick. Round 2. Skip the chain and put 1 single crochet into each stitch around. At the end of round 2 you will have 10 single crochets. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets. From round 3 to round 10, put 1 single crochet in each stitch around. I've finished round 10 and now we are starting round 11. Move your marker. Put 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, and the last 3 single crochet. And here we change our yarn into body color yarn, and this is the 3rd single crochet. Move your purple yarn to the front because we will need it to decorate our sleeve. Continue to crochet the row with the body color yarn. Put 1 single crochet in each stitch till the marker. As you see, I try to keep the purple yarn with my right hand, and I keep the starting yarn of body color yarn along the edge and crochet around it. I finished round 11. Cut the purple yarn, leaving 10 cm to decorate the sleeves. Hide the loose ending of body color yarn inside the arm. And as you notice, I didn't stuff the doll's arm. Now we are going to crochet the doll's hand. From round 12 to round 13, put 1 single crochet in each stitch around. 1 single crochet into the first stitch, 2 single crochets. Done. I have finished round 13. Round 14, and here we are going to crochet the doll's thumb. Put 1 single crochet into the first stitch, 1, then put 2 single crochets into the second stitch. Insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through, and go back into the same stitch, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through both loops. Then put 1 single crochet into the next 8 stitches. So at the end of round 14 we will have 11 single crochets. Done. Round 15. Put one single crochet into the first stitch. Insert your hook into the first stitch. Yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through both loops. Then put 3 single crochets into the second stitch. Insert your hook into the second stitch, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through both loops. Again, go into the same stitch, go back into the same stitch, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through both loops. Second single crochet, and again go back into the same stitch, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, and pull it through both loops. So we put 3 single crochets into the second stitch. Then put 1 single crochet into the next 9 stitches. At the end of round 15 we will have 13 single crochets. I finished round 15, and now I'm going to start round 16, and in this round I'm going to decrease my stitches. Put 1 single crochet into the first stitch. Insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, and pull it through both loops. Then we are going to decrease 3 single crochets together. Insert your hook under the front loop of the first stitch, then move your hook under the front loop of the second stitch, and move your hook under the front loop of the third stitch, yarn over, and pull it through 3 loops. Be careful with the yarn, it can tear. Yarn over, pull it through both loops. Then put 1 single crochet into the next 9 stitches. At the end of the round we'll have 11 single crochets. Follow the pattern to finish the doll's arm. Great, we have finished to crochet the doll's right arm. Now we need to weave the yarn. And to hide the tail, we need to go inside the stitch with our needle and come out in any place of our arm. Pull the yarn slightly and then cut it off. Wrap the purple yarn around the doll's wrist as many times as you want, and then fix it at the back of doll's arm by sewing it. Make a knot and hide the ending into the arm. Move your needle under the stitches and come out in any place of the arm. Cut the yarn. To crochet the left arm, follow the pattern.